Hello everyone. In this video, let us try to understand how to complete BAN5003 Operational Analytics Major Paper. Based on the requirement, it is very important to identify an organization that is having some kind of operational issue, maybe like in the process of manufacturing or managing employees and employee performance. Like that, we will be having different type of operational issues that has to be identified, and based on that this paper will be developed. As the topic is related to operational analytics, it is very crucial that the case you select that should contain certain graphical information to explain the problem that organization is having, because we include several graphs and proper information related to that. So when you select an organization with operational analytics issue, it is important to cross check whether that data, whatever the problem you identified, that should have some graphical information available. Now, once you choose the organization, operational issue, and needed information available, just follow these headings and complete your document. These headings should be presented on your paper. You can modify these headings and mention it as your own style, like company profile. You can give company introduction or like about the company, like that. You can change it into your unique matter, but the content that should be relevant to the each heading. These headings should be changed according to your requirement. Like in maybe like to take alternative courses of action, you can mention this as alternative solutions to the problem, like that. Okay, so you can modify these headings, but the requirements has to be met according to the structure that is mentioned over here. These are some of the important detailing related to the APA formatting. Make sure you follow APA formatting and complete your document. See, it is very important to give an appropriate title to your paper, and your side headings to be should be unique, and they should follow this document structure. So a sample is given below. This does not contain any graphs, and this is completely uh, related to literature review kind of task. The main purpose of giving this sample is to make sure your report is formatted in this manner. Okay, this is not an operational analytics task, but the report formatting should be done as it is shown in the sample that is given here. Another document is attached along with the mail that consists of a sample paper. This consists of some a set of this is an operational analytic paper which consists of how your document can be made. Some of the graphs that are included in this document are self-made, otherwise they are taken from the case problem that we have selected. Okay, so you can cross-check that paper for uh, information on the information about how we are supposed to prepare a operational analytics paper. Okay, these are very important elements that you should follow while completing the document. Okay, so the main thing is you are supposed to select an organization that is having an operational issue which contains enough information related to that operational issue. Then what we do, we try to discuss what is the organize introduction to the problem, like whatever the problem we are experiencing, we highlight that problem in the introduction section. Then we discuss about the company products, what kind of services it is doing, where it is operating, some important, very important details related to the company that we have selected. Then we discuss about the problem and key facts, key issues, key elements that are related to the case. Okay, so we specifically discuss the issue, and before that, we discuss about most important facts surrounding the issue, like what kind of elements influencing happening of the issue will be discussed. Next, analytical data to support identification of the issue. Like here, we present the data, the graphical information we include, and we try to highlight the importance or like the reasons for happening of the issue. Next, to resolve this problem, what kind of alternative solutions we have, those solutions we will be discussing in detail. Next, what kind of new data models we can include to analyze the problem and to ensure that the problem is resolved, what kind of data models we can adopt. that will be discussed. We can include three or four data analytical models that can be included in the course of action to complete the to resolve the problem can be discussed here. Okay. After that, we will be evaluating each course of action and their impact. See, for example, initially we mentioned what kind of solutions we can include. Briefly, one by one, we discuss the probable solutions we are having. Now, we will be discussing different solution that we mentioned and how, to what extent it will be impacting and resolving the problem that we will be discussing in evaluating each course of action. So based on this evaluation, we can identify if you have selected five or six type of alternative solutions to the problem. Among that, which solution is better one that we will be recommending to the organization. So make sure you identify alternative solutions to resolve the operational analytics problem that you identified. Evaluate each and every solution for identifying to what extent perfect solutions can be provided by that alternative course of action that we will be discussing. And finally, among all those, based on the evaluation, what could be the best option that we will be discussing and what kind of benefits it will be going to offer to the organization that will be clearly discussed. Finally, we will be concluding. In the conclusion, we start discussing about the problem, how the solution to the problem is planned, what kind of evaluation performed, and what is, according to you, based on the analysis, what could be the best solution that we'll be discussing. And finally, we include references. This is all about your document. This document has to be completed in 15 pages. 3500 words is the target word count, and you can include enough number of images to ensure that the document is 15 pages of size, excluding cover page and references. No table of contents is required for this one. Make sure you follow proper data structure, proper document structure, proper APA referencing format, give proper heading to the document. In cover page, we will be giving title of the document. We mention what kind of organizational, operational analytic problem we are dealing with and what is the organization. These two things should be included in the title. Then we give appropriate headings and we produce content to that. Make sure you use enough charts that are relevant to the case problem that you have selected and that is relevant to the solutions you are proposed in the document. Okay, all the best. I hope you worked a number of times. Only the document structure we have changed. So give needful information to the document. All the best. Thank you.